Choice Television, its presenters, associates and affiliates may not be liable for views shared on this program. Age restriction and viewer discretion is advised.
Nalinka bere nyondo mu office. Nalinka tiramu. Museveni bwe yasindika yomwe kyakakola. Mumuteeka mu category. Yaba advisors etafuna musala. Can you talk to me now? Are you serious? Have you changed hands? Are you a different person? Idiot, stupid. You, imbecile. Hekira. Kwanu sokomu.
Tuvala msizaako omuleje msinzi okutula. Bebale nnyo.
Bebale.
Okuwagira kozi.
Bebale nnyo.
Mazima.
In fact, I need a Nobel Prize. I need to be declared because I don't want medals. I don't believe that these are medals. These are metallic items. A medal is preceded by a citation. But you cannot say that those who sat in the parliament since independence, each must get a medal. You must select the people who moved.
Who moved serious motions
that had a far-reaching impact on our society. You cannot see that every policeman who is a thief must get a medal.
Everyone who served between colonial times.
You see that committee does not have a historian. Two, they're given him money to boast. Museveni has given him. Does Museveni know you? They give him money. The committee is completely useless. Completely useless. In fact, if they are real medals, the person who would get the medal, the IC medal in the police, would be Magambo. Magambo has solved the murders.
But he has served for a short time.
Yes.
Maybe getting a medal requires some bit of time.
You mean that to produce twins, you must hide in your bedroom for 6 months?
No.
Yes.
It is just a matter of a short time.
That's what I say. When your wife fails to conceive, you don't change a mattress. There are people who are raped in the forest without a mattress.
And conceive.
And they conceive.
Instantly.
So when your wife fails to conceive, you don't change the side of a bed. You don't change the bed, whether you get a metallic bed or...
But the people who choose... Jajja wange n'amaganda yakirina nga tukizannyirako.
Kakati abafumbo baali tebamanyi nti bo baana bagulya sepulingi nga zikola ki. Bakola emifaliso egyakirisi egyatunda kuba giwogganira abaana nemulogi tegikola.
Spring mattresses.
Yes. Spring mattresses.
But these people who award medals probably maybe
they are bored.
They
are bored. And they pride themselves. So as somebody medal, Museveni doesn't know you. He doesn't know you. You buy medal. Uganda medals are buy. That was the time. Do you know why I admire Tumukunde? Tumukunde when Museveni declared Wembley. I attended a meeting where Tumukunde discussed the issue with the Kayanja. Tumukunde said, even my use of guns are not going to be used in the operation. And Tumukunde told Kayanja, you give me a lot of trouble because you are not educated. Why don't you go to Nkumba? These days degrees are both. Go to Nkumba and buy one.
Buying a degree does not necessarily mean it comes along with the knowledge.
When you find
it is about stuff.
A person who is collecting with a controversial academic background, their degrees always originate from where?
But I'm not sure.
Nkumba.
But I'm not sure Nkumba sells degrees.
Nkumba. And then failure, they cannot admit a person from Nkumba. And fortunately for me, the only university I know is Makerere University. And I cannot take my son to Mutesa
Why?
University.
It is a royal university.
That one must get a master's degree.
Yes. It is a royal university.
And each university
has... Are you aware it is the chancellor now is Julia Sebutinde? 17 is now the chancellor of Mutesa.
She almost left it down. 17 was... They took advantage of 17 because of the confusion. Even 17 wanted to run away. This is a confused university. That you come from Mutesa University, I give you a job. Me, in Nkumba University, I give you a job.
Why?
No. The only university I know, is Makerere University.
There is also Kyambogo.
Best told to me.
There is Kampala International.
And Kampala International. University Kampala. The conflict was very tactful. Makerere is MKU. Makerere University of Kampala.
Yes. Makunika.
The confusion is Kampala University. You confuse the two. A person can masquerade with Kampala University as if is a product of Makerere University Kampala. These are good business.
How about this one of your friend Muganga? Victoria University.
Victoria University.
That one of Sudhir.
When you see Sudhir involved, it must have a quality. But where I disagreed with my friend Sudhir, you see Sudhir until he said, Sudhir told me, I'm going to treat you like your father. Is your father dead? I said, yes. Learn from today, you've got a new father. Because you have helped my bank. But people pressurize. They go there, you are finding a Mirundi, you are doing a what. But Sudhir has been supporting me even when I was poisoned. I think Sudhir sent his son and took there. But there was a lot of money when I fell sick. This is where my mother knew that I was doing something. The only thing I regret was that I was sent a doctor. But the moment he mentioned the State House, I chased the man away. But he was wanted to find out. That's why I like him.
Hey.
And one woman Kano Night, Museveni was away. Kano Night rang my family members. A person who came with my family, she rang me. I think she was even celebrating on the chicken. Mr. Meroni, the president has directed they will take you abroad for treatment. I said he was stupid. Do you know that I have 4 medical doctors trying in the United States? Do I need an to kill me abroad? And that woman is marked again. She rang me at one time in the weekend. Mr. Meroni, can we meet in the Mbuya? I said weekend meetings are intended for love and sex. Can I make a sex in the barracks? In the barracks?
You know, soldiers are given orders. Probably someone had ordered her to do something for you.
This bogus committee that I've been selected to serve on the 7th committee, publicity committee. This arrogant man didn't know that he had blocked my money. Museveni had directed that I move with him, but basically 200 people, according to the COVID rules. The man broke the money, got the money from another source, thinking that I'm using Mupakas.
But what happened to your
I don't know whether this
what happened to your printing press?
Museveni gave me
your printing machine.
He broke it. Museveni gave me run. In fact, I was watching him, going to Kabushenga. In this printing press, he was. He broke it. Meronde must die a pauper. A rich Meronde is a nuclear bomb. He must be a district in his village. You hear him talking, recording. This man's mind is stuck in the past. Yes. Can you forget? Can a woman forget a day when she conceived?
No. No.
When she was subordinated?
No.
Can any Muslim forget a day she went to Makkah?
No.
Yes. The current is the product of the past. Yes. But his arrogance, his arrogance, they underestimated my resolve to fight. Me, I knew. I worked for Museveni for 14 years.
You fought quite for a while.
I knew Museveni cannot allow this country to be a source of organic trade. To damage our reputation. That the origin, the suppliers of who kill
organs
people
around
for organs originated from Uganda. Me, I knew. Even if his son-in-law was involved, Museveni will deal with him mercilessly. Me, I knew.
I see.
That this boy could not carry out organic killing. He's saying, I wish if a day when he comes and we talk, I cannot talk to you. You smell blood. You stink human blood.
I see.
And Museveni made a mistake. The mistake Museveni made was to get them off the hook of the ICC. Kalugire handled the matter.
But of course, that's what you do.
They were arraigned before ICC with this command. And I'm going to play their testimonies at Serena via Zoom. And the ICC investigators took bribes. That's why these people went back to kill.
I'm not sure about
when
that.
When you encourage criminals to escape the hook, then you are encouraging him to kill more.
Of course, in Uganda, much of the things are guided by corruption. If you bribe anyone, you walk scot-free.
They did everything. This command is an idiot. In fact, my assassin is the Kaboy does not come from Kajiji's family. He's a son of Interahamu. Why? If he was a son, biological son of Kajiji, he would involve his brothers. None of his brothers is involved in killing.
Probably what he's doing is not
what
right.
He did was to bring his sister-in-law as a permanent secretary. Kick it out, and they brought this Kanabule. Nabuledi must be arrested.
But you say the decision maker is
Diana should be
it's not those
no,
boys.
Museveni didn't know.
It's not those men.
Museveni asked Diana, why are you leaving me as a doctor? I want to treat the whole nation. Nabuledi is a destroyer. Nabuledi. Do you know that by Uganda did not have the COVID that magnitude?
Of course.
Nabuledi was
some of the figures were
extending the COVID to enable these people because they had told the ICC we cannot travel because of COVID. Nabuledi must be arrested.
Uganda had the longest lockdown.
Yes. Where are these killers?
One of the most few deaths. Some of which are said to be
used to arrest everybody.
doctored.
I used to arrest everybody. I was preparing for her. If I could mess up with Miso, she would be a lunatic in Irango.
I see.
Yes. These people have defeated them, exposed them to the international community, and this time they wrote bribe.
I see.
They are crying. They are begging me. No. You say battle is like a football boxing. Even if somebody is bleeding in the eye, they were born. You continue hitting until the other side throws in.
But this is politics.
I hit them.
They have looked for ways of talking to you and you refuse it.
Continue exposing. What were their conduct before? When they had an upper hand over me. This man, he took my money 4 times. A Canadian gave me money. Museveni gave me money 3 times. Let me take this money to finance my activities. Are they working? Are you the person who is coming to me now? When he gets an upper hand, when he loses. But now, they have been telling him, you see Mwenda, I like Mwenda. Mwenda is very intelligent. To detect it, the intelligence of a person, it must avoid the future repercussions. Mwenda told this boy, I have evaluated this trade is lucrative, but I don't participate. Day one, I'm going to put out this tape. That boy has only one solution, to surrender himself to hate, to avoid lynching.
I see.
They're going to lynch him. Nikagala no kuwamba ekintu kyenatete. Museveni n'abagana. Nikagenda muloko nikabati. I'm going to play all of this from land. This boy must surrender. Funga loja. Funga barabara zote. Funga boda zote. Funga boda. Nabuledi anakimbia. Diana anakimbia. Loja funga boda. Akula anakimbia. Funga boda. These are the people who started it. Akulu was arresting people. Akulu started it. Akulu poisoned Lukwago to edge him out of the ministry, to pave way for Diana.
I'm not sure about that.
You know, I have evidence.
I see.
If this command expects to get leniency from me, I cannot overpower you. You come with a gun, I overpower you, and you beg for mercy.
I see. If
you want to rape a woman, and the woman overpowers you, do you beg? Continue. I'm going to hit them, continuing hitting them. Why does the president interfere? You play those recordings where they are saying
probably they
Museveni has no mercy for them.
They need somewhere, somehow, to talk to you, and this ends.
No, I told
you. Then.
Do you know what they mean? What they mean, that by reconciling with me, they continue killing, because they have no other value of business. They have business. A human being is very expensive, it's very lucrative. You don't feel the human being with the cows. He comes to the hospital, managed by Nabulegi, managed by Diana, the do you know that we are rising to 20 million people? We are rising to 20 million people. The Katwali Akazimba, truck it out. And I told you, this cannot be the policy of Museveni. Kanuka musagama gw'abantu, kanuka nk'amazzi kiteekeko, akasiiza kanuka nk'amazzi, kanuka musagama gw'abantu ne matansi, kanuka omusagama ne woteri zako zinuka omusagama, n'onduwiya zako zinuka omusagama, ne bakatambula kanuka omusagama. How can you keep this man in your cabinet? Museveni is very lenient. Museveni wanted me to be showing there. Eventually, you'll be surrendered to him.
Probably because he leaves them there. That's where they get
no.
Continue.
Hear what they are saying. That Museveni was consulted. And Museveni said they cannot allow this. They will kill our younger people. They will kidnap schools. If organisms become a business. And that's what we told you. This killer, this vampire, notorious killer. Kanuka omusagama gw'abantu matansi, kanuka nk'amazzi, kanuka nkinagisi, akasiiza kanuka nkinagisi, kanuka nk'amazzi, kanuka omusagama gw'abantu ne mu matansi. Chase him away to parliament. Chase the killer from cabinet. Drop him. The moment Museveni drops him, he will be reached immediately. That's only one solution. Diana, Nabulegi, Accra, fungua barabara zote, fungua boda. Hakuna Nabulegi anakimbia, Diana anakimbia, kanakimbia na dawa yake, upate na matako yake. No, you see, for me, reconciliation, forgiveness, pardoning has never been a part of my vocabulary. Ayajitaye kanumba tekanzitira omwana wange tekagula banzite abatemu tekafuna buli kimu kyonna kanga Museveni akamugobe nekajinga tebo wafasiri, which has caused us suffering. We made mistakes in the past. Why did you make them? The reason that because you did it to me, we carried out mistakes that have affected my family. You had succeeded. See, don't put my name out of your mouth. I feel aggrieved. My blood surges. You can pick a bomb. I was very over Bukagendeka everywhere Kanfugo. No Musagama Guaco Munyuma, Congereka te, no Lubade Chenatet. I've been a organizing a demonstration, a peaceful Ngabaku Tepro, every funny Jakarabanga Kalima, Kateka Modu Firuaco, in the posters. Pay what I know, we can't do Kino, no more to pay. You started the battle, I will end it. Where do you find the vanquished dictating in terms of surrender? What type of arrogance is this? And this man who is very arrogant, this man must go to his home area as a district. No lawyer, she lawyer. Chagend Okulutinga Wawian Wayomba, Makere in, I have the recording. The man said he stammers, but we hear Tamale Mirundi talk. Tamale Mirundi, in the 6 months, he will be dead, he will be in a prison, he will be a district. I'm going to ensure. This is what the Baganda say. Once you pass an innocent reason, you ban your business. You will never recover. No. You take my money 4 times, you take it, you bring it back. You will be divorced. That boy will be divorced. He will be suffer leprosy. If it does not give him my money, he will suffer leprosy. Maggots will reach his tongue. Nze nagenda mu nsozi nenfukamira ewaffe nembaga nti bizinesi enkubizwa mugisaanyeewo omulenzi ono mumukunami anuke newasezaala we newanazaala mama mukube naanuka nekubuko anuseeyo. Pulezidenti agambye ati ye yenyini yakyeyogere nti I'm carrying this luggage because of blood relations. Singa namugobaddalegalubindi is a fugitive. If you are part of the first family and we fugitive, what will happen if the hostile regime takes power? Yes. So they should not expect any mercy from me. They should not jump on my election. That they want to compensate me. No. You took my money 4 times, add on 10 zeros, and bring the money. And to commit myself, I was written in the book, a judgment from the mountain. Akasaja Kokala, Bukaba Kajinga table in Kajatoya facility. When you use a family, no other rooms. A man who was a rich man, Abanabang Basomi, judgment Gamba Wait, Gamba Woods. A judgment from the mountains. A waffle. You again a cover from nowhere, a cavetet or Lupui. Again a cavetet or Lupui. A hammer will come from nowhere. Very bad. Into a jazz. It will split into 2 parts. It is only Munga and bad jazz. A ruling. The second ruling, his hotels will catch fire. The same with the same minute, and the source of fire will not be known. Am I going to recover the 25 years I've lost? How old I am? Is there an amount of money can restore me? These are rooms. These are a number of assets. You wanted the money, pay. Sasula with your head. I see. My advice, consider the view is that surrender yourself to Hague to save yourself from reaching. I'm going to pray. Stink one. Better get at it. The Kagenda Katawanya Basaw Bemola. Record it. The Kagenda Kalumbe, a person in the gender ministry, had listened to those people. Bobakwate Babasive, Kachitirama. Bamusakata Chiboko Nazumatira, Bakasakata Chiboko Kazimatira, Bakasakata Chiboko Kazimatira, Bakasakata, no Rufelwako, Bakasakata, Kaino Karingo Simbis, Kaino Karinga Burok, Kaino Karinga Kotaya Feni, Kaine or Karinga Figumuka. You are going to pay through the nose. But you are near, you know about the money. Come back, Bemba Mario, come back, you concrete tape. Abusing the first rate. If you abuse the first rate, who will help you? That's why Museveni had not given me money. And imagine, this couple is stated in his own voice. I attacked him because I was a supporter of Mbabas. Mbabas mentored me. Museveni sacks me. Museveni believed that I would accept being an advisor. Impossible. I know my value. I see. I'm a former spokesperson of the president. Recently, I grabbed the money at a function. Call me an advisor. Can a general become a patronic commander? The only person who moves backwards in our culture is a Moses. Me. And everywhere he was taking me, imagine, everywhere Museveni was taking me, I would be under this command. Narinka bearing on the office. Narinka Tiram. Museveni, we are seeing Kayumacha, Mumuteka Makategore. Advisors, can you talk to me now? Are you serious? Have you changed the hand? Are you a different person? Idiot, stupid. You, imbecile, Ekira. Can you come Sagam Mumatako? Can you come Sagama Mumaza? Can you come Kamazi? Can you come Gigi? Everywhere can you come Sagama? Stop talking about me, just Baladukut. Stop. I'm no longer I will not change an inch. Suffer. If I'm responsible for their current problems, I will go back to the mountain and ask them if they're really doing it. Destroy them more. Hate them more. Hate them more. Why do they stick on me? You humiliated the Kata. I period the Kata Kabaka one. Lumumba survive. Natural, kill the adult. Katumba Amala. This Uganda man, very popular in the army. You have curses.
I see.
My own period is that they should not be extended to their children and descendants. I cannot do wako. No muzukuru wanakana jakusasula. No muzukuru wako wanakana ajakusasula. This is serpent. We cannot allow uyungano kusala abana. Lirukiru like him. How can he attack our hospitals?
Imagine.
A man goes for care, treatment. How many people has this command killed when he was sacked me in 2014? Okuva mu 2014 kabadde kata. You can see my impact. That's why I need a Nobel Prize.
I see.
Yes. Why? Why? You see the accidents are no more.
Of course.
Women who used to die during the river are no more. No. What about the people who used to be killed? They had a special unit in Mulabu for borders only. Eh? Does this man demand mercy? Even if this is a country of murder, that this command needs murder, mercy. If a minute don't kill people for extra, imagine take up the Dutch career. Poverty. You grew up in a refugee camp, hidden in Kajiji's family. The Kajiji family, his children are not killers. This command from Interahamwe. His father is Interahamwe. That's why he kills the people. To inacho udi do agwe, no do kutaba and ben to bajas. The kajoke walk in the Karistamako. The Kachimane Nemulamu wako de Kakovaru Kwaka. Yeroko Tabaruga. Cow can dance. Nicoleta Panabuli. Kaina Kataka. Kaina Kalakokalinga Sekanyuri. Oizo Kantiaka took Manga or Wakatumoka B. The most stupid minister of health. You ferret to protect it. Hospitals. Where are you there? Kekatambuze ndwadi mumonita bulije kagenda ngakazi nebagamba kanambi kakubene kayingiza office mukyala bentwade wa ko kinyini akakazi ako kayino kwati wakatembe kayino kutembe enyonyi enteba Amsterdam batembane barwana enteba Amsterdam he batembane barwana katembe n'obugulu bwako kalingo obukadde bwekawolo katembere obusiru bwako kadanga nekadani kongezayo covid never na kongeza security Museveni will go akakati kalwana society is responsible for extending covid. That woman is responsible for spreading diseases. Whenever she went is where the diseases emerged. Publicized by monitor. People should not buy monitor. Punish monitor. Monitor was an accomplice. The monitor again. No, Wako Kasebo. Kalario, Koja Chimbo, Alagamwami, Edakala, Edakari Street, Edit, Yaman, or the condemned. Kasaja Gori condemned. I take a toilet to Iki Deku, Kanaka saying, Narinka is a Kaji, no, carried out a senior campaign against me for 6 months by saying, Kaze hand over, Narinka Tiro, Tamari for me. No need to go to Beno to work. Kabia Bagada government, Ganamaya Yakatwal, Kabaka, Abu Katarinia came in. Bring a Melgo Kasaja good. Never go with you.